Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is John with Reliable Roof and Remodeling. We are doing a series of videos on hail claims with your insurance company. We're working a big storm in Owensboro, Kentucky. A lot of our customers having some of the same questions. So we're going to make a series of videos that allow you to, depending on where you're at in the process, you can refer to the video and have a little insight on where you need to go from here and how everything is working. This is the 5th video. We've covered everything from the initial inspection after the storm to meeting with the adjuster, meeting with your contractor, getting your check. And this one is about the question that everybody asks is about deductibles. Can a contractor waive a deductible? The answer to that is no, it's not legal to waive a deductible. It's actually considered insurance fraud. So we have a ton in the city right now. There's a ton of out-of-town roofers. They're making all types of offers, and some of the companies are reputable, some of them are not. But the biggest thing we're hearing is they're offering to waive deductibles using that exact phrasing. If you talk to your insurance agent, whether it be to your agent or it's a 1-800 number, they will tell you that a deductible cannot be waived, nor can it be manipulated. So if you have somebody telling you that they're going to waive a deductible, the first thing you should say is, I heard that was illegal. The second thing you may say is, how are you waiving the deductible? We don't offer that as a company. We never say we're going to waive a deductible, adjust a deductible, do anything with it. There are some ways that as a contractor we can help a customer with a deductible, but it's not in any way, shape, form, or fashion waiving it. So I'm going to tell you a couple of different ways that customers are helped with the deductibles, and then if you have questions below, we definitely want you to comment or ask questions about this one, because this is a situation where if you get into some type of issue with a deductible being waived or some type of fraud involved with the insurance company, the company may leave, the contractor company may leave once the storm's done and everything's done, but you'll be left to answer the insurance company on what happened or if some information was submitted incorrectly. So we'll start with the bad. How is a deductible waived by insurance companies that are committing fraud? So if you watched our previous videos, you know that you're going to get an initial check for your ACV or actual cash value of your property or the damage that was done. That will be less or minus your deductible. Once your work is completed, you actually receive the depreciation or the replacement cost value of your property in the end, or the damage to your property in the end. What will happen then is the contractor that is waiving the deductible, so to say illegally, will submit a bill to the insurance company. Illegally will submit a bill to the insurance company for an amount that is higher than what you are paying, which was generally the deductible amount. So in easy terms, if they're submitting a bill to the insurance company for $15,000 and then they come and submit a different bill to you for $14,000 and your deductible is $1,000, that is how they are waiving or eating your deductible. That's actually a legal practice, meaning the contractor is submitting a higher bill or a different bill to the insurance company, and then after that going back and submitting to bill to you for a lower number. Okay, so that can't be done. That's considered insurance fraud. That will get the contractor in trouble. Also, it will get you in trouble. A lot of times an out-of-town or a storm chasing contractor is not worried about that because they will be outside the city. They're not worried about any type of litigation or anything involved with that. You will be stuck with that issue once that comes to light. The legal way, there's a number of legal ways to help you with your deductible. So we offer a $500 referral fee per customer that you refer. So say your deductible is $1,000. If you refer 2 people, we're able to take them through the process, close the deal. You will get $500 for each person. So you get $500 referral credit per person. That makes you $1,000. So that's a lot of times what we advertise or tell our customers. If you have a $15 or $1,500 deductible, 3 customers, you basically covered your deductible and referral fee. So the second way that happens is, again, this is a part we don't use this. I don't really tell this to a customer because I don't want to get in the weeds depending on what the plan is. If you have allotments for a personal property, say they're covering your grill, your pool cover, lawn furniture, whatever it may be, that total could be anywhere from a couple $100s to a couple $1,000s. A lot of plans allow for that personal property allowance to be used elsewhere. So what some people do, they may say they're getting partial siding replacement and they want all their siding replaced. They shift that money over and use that towards their siding. But in a lot of plans, there's not particular rules on how you can use that. So that part could be used to cover or help to cover your deductible. Again, I'm not giving legal advice. I'm not giving insurance advice. If you have questions about moving money like that or moving an allotment within your assessment or estimate, you want to talk to your insurance agent and or the 1-800 number with customer service to ask those questions. You're covered on both sides. There's no reason to do anything illegal because you're able to ask your insurance agent. If you have a really good contractor, they can give you good information as well, but you can use a combination of both of those to make sure that you're covered. So to end where we started, can a deductible be waived? No, not legally, not in that terminology. Can you be helped out with your deductible? Yes, there's ways such as a referral program that can help you with your deductible. So you hear people saying terms, I'm going to eat your deductible. I'm going to waive your deductible. You need to ask how, and is it insurance fraud and how it will affect us? And don't be afraid to ask your insurance agent when somebody tells you that. So make sure you're staying safe out there. Make sure you're protecting yourself. This is a once-in-a-lifetime type storm. Hopefully most people are never going to deal with this again. But this is part of the reason why we're making this video series or video playlist to help you along the way. If you have any questions, make sure to submit them down below. You have a link to our site. We're obviously doing free inspections. If you need anything, we'll be there for you. See you on the next video.